What is up, guys? Welcome to Khasiboy Reactions. Okay, guys, so Jessie Lyngdoh's new music video is out, okay, few hours ago, and I'm so excited, guys. This is the first time I'm gonna watch the video with you guys, and wow, I can't wait. Okay, so before we get started to the reaction part, okay, so just want to say a few words in my own language. Parok barok. Ketika video ko pamtakas niyan apa haka English mah. Pareng. Okay, so guys, today's video will be in English dialect, and yeah. So the name of the song is Safe and Sound by Jessie Lyngdoh featuring Lily Saoyan, Gino Thank You, and Alexandria Karshi-Ying. Okay, producer Bandit. Wow. Okay, so guys, if you are new to my channel, okay, if you're new to my channel, hit the like button, okay, and hit the subscribe button also. Do not forget, do not forget, okay, right now do that, okay. I will be very happy. Okay, so let's get started, man. Okay, guys, let me okay, let's go. Oh, gotta take my cap off. Okay, let's go. Come. Stephen Sound, producer Bandit, Jessie Lyngdoh, Lily, Gino, Alexandria Karshi-Ying. Okay, sponsored by So Struck Shillong. Lower the volume, it's gonna blow my ears, man. Wow, awesome. Cue music. Jessie Lyngdoh, I guess that's Gino, Lily, Alexandria.
You look a little nervous when you talk.
Oh,
maybe because we're sitting way too close. Just another day at home, just another time alone. But I get
wow,
the feeling
they look so happy. This music video looks so fun, man.
we both know that I've got somebody
Wow.
else who's close to my heart.
I love the melody.
And you've got somebody else you promised to love. So what are we doing when we get no love? Better keep you safe and sound than to lose you forever now.
Hey,
Better keep you safe and sound. What's that sound?
I love the outfits. Very cool.
Better keep you safe and sound than to lose you forever now. Better keep you safe and
I've never heard of this guy. I guess this is Gino. Never heard of him. This is my first time. Nice. Yes. Don't stop. Let go. Hey. Oh, bandit beats. His beats are awesome.
Gets a little harder when your mom
Whoa.
wants me over every
This is my first time hearing her sing. Her voice is so good.
time. Yeah, just another day at home, just another time alone. Will make us do things we shouldn't do. That I've got somebody else.
Lily. Her voice is class, man.
to my heart, and you've got somebody
I love her voice.
else you promised
Her voice always amazes me.
So what are we doing when we got no love? Better keep you safe and sound
Yes.
than to lose you forever now.
Yes. Better
Better keep you
safe and
safe and
sound. Better
Better keep you
safe and
safe and
sound.
sound.
Whoa, the skits are really good.
Better keep you safe and
Wow,
sound.
really talented.
Better keep you safe.
These guys are very talented, man. Wow.
sound and to lose you
Amazing people.
forever now.
Oh, oh. I love this music video. So much fun. Yes, I'm having fun too.
That I've got somebody else who's close to my heart, and you've got somebody else you promised to love. So what are we doing when we got no love?
Wow.
I better keep you safe and sound than to lose you forever now. Better keep you safe and sound. Better keep you safe and sound than to lose you forever now. Better keep you safe and sound than to lose you now.
Wow, I love
Better
it.
keep you safe and sound
Nice.
than to lose you forever now.
Oh, these kids are amazing. Very good dancers. Better keep you safe and sound.
It's all over the town. When you're down, it will come around. Love makes the work around. If so,
I love his voice. I love his voice. You know.
Love is all over the town. When you're down, it will come around. Love makes the work around. If so, it better keep you safe and sound.
Hey, hey. Let's go back. Go back. Go back. Go back. Look at Lily's dress. Look, guys. The leaves, the flowers, almost the same. Wow. Same pinch. Almost the same. Unexpected. Nice. Wow. Oh. Great. Guys, what a great song. What a great song. Okay, let me do this. Okay, let me get my cap back on. Okay, like this again. What a song, man. What a song. Perfect. The video is really good. The people in it vibing, dancing, having fun. It's really nice, and I'm having fun. I'm having so much fun watching the video. Man, I love it. Safe and sound. Wow. What a song, what a song. Great song. So guys, great work, guys. Let's give them a big hand. Everybody, come on. Jessie Lyngdoh and her group, big fan. I mean, big hand. Yes, and I'm a big fan too of Jessie Lyngdoh, okay? And her team. Wow. Guys, I love it. The outfit, the dresses, very nice, very cute, okay? The skits are really good. I mean, the way they dance for such young kids, I mean, wow. Man. Okay, so guys, this song is released few hours ago. Today, 21st of March 2021. And we have here special thanks to St. Anthony's College, Mass Media Department and Marketing Society, Roy Lang, Vloggers, Dawan Karkungoy, Christina Typodia, Assistants, kita lang, okay, okay. Very nice. Okay, so guys, if you like the music video, if you love it, guys, The link of the music video will be in the description below, so do kindly check them out. Okay, give them a like, hit the subscribe button. Okay, let's support them. Okay, great work. I mean, like, this song is really great. It's a really great song to play during, you know, parties, and then during happy times, and even during sad times. It's really good. Okay, so if you like my video too, guys, always remember to hit the like button and subscribe. Okay, I'll be very happy and it will help me a lot. So that's all for today, guys. We'll see you in the next video, and thank you very much. Bye bye.